Hello, my name is David Stevens. I'm the Senior Technology Specialist with Universal Laser Systems. And today I want to cover a little bit about our control panel and UCP software with our laser systems. We have the ability to simplify the process of processing a material on, or the settings of a material for the laser system. And it is as simple as this. Take your digital design file from your favorite software, such as CorelDRAW, Illustrator, CAD/CAM, whatever software you decide you want to use, and design your file, whether it's a photo, logo, text, cutting. We use different color operations for different processes. In this case, I've drawn a simple file, the text being black, the blue line being a mark or a score, and then the red line being cut. From the design software, knowing the settings for a material is as simple as just knowing what material you're going to process or run with your laser system. So I'm going to just push print now that I've designed my file. Select the printer just like any printer off of the list. Go into the preferences, which is going to take you into our driver. Within our driver, we have a fully extensive list of materials called the materials database. These are preset materials specifically for different categories. So in this case, if for some reason I wanted to etch on wood, I would select the natural category. Then I would scroll down to the wood category. If it's not expanded, we can expand it out. And then I can select the different category of wood based on density. In this case, we have hard, medium, or very soft or very hard woods. So for example, if I selected cherry, the settings for cutting, marking, engraving are all pre-programmed for an operator for that material. We can also place in a material thickness. And what that will do is it will do two things. The laser will focus to that thickness, as well as assign a proper cutting setting to get through that thickness automatically. So the correct thickness is necessary for this process to work. Once the selection is selected, all an operator would have to do is hit OK. If you wanted manual controls and fully wanted to know what settings are used, we have also manual controls for the advanced users that will allow you to control power, speed, all walks of life of every setting if necessary. But for most novice users or someone that's doing most of these materials, all you would need to do is just select the material, place the thickness, and then select OK, knowing that the settings are going to send to the laser. Once I press print, I can then go into what's called our control panel or universal control panel. By selecting this, it's going to show me a preview of exactly what we're going to process. In this case, we have the three different operations. Black would be engraving, blue would be a score or mark, a vector mark, and then the red would cut through the thickness of our selected material. We also have the ability within our control panel to estimate, for example, how long this material will take to actually process. So we can identify how much to cost analysis or determine how long a laser is going to take to process it, whether you're determining how much to charge for a piece of material or just how much time it's going to take before you need to run that system. Our driver also offers many other simplicity aspects in the fact that we can move the job around afterwards. We can simulate and duplicate a full field and then estimate how long that's going to take so that you can run one job as a test and then run in full production without having to go back and forth between your design software as well as your control panel. You can also change the settings afterwards by selecting new materials after it's been sent to the laser, just allowing simplicity and ease of use with all of our laser systems. This works from our entry-level starter series all the way up into our high-end systems and produces the easiest, most user-friendly use to run a laser system with virtually every material known to run with the materials. I thank you for your time. Again, my name is David Stevens. If you want to know more, please go to our website at ulsinc.com. Thank you.